Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable details for your caliber strength training app. So firstly open up caliber strength training app. So here go to menu icon on bottom right corner. Now tap on view profile. Here tap on edit profile. Now here you can see many details. For now it is disabled. In order to enable it, simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, it will turn on into blue light. That means you have enabled these details. So serially enable these details. So this is how you can enable details for caliber strength training app. So that is it for today. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel.